viewers, welcome back to Cook It Repeat. I'm your host Dhaval and today I'm excited to share one of my favorite zucchini recipes with you. Zucchini or courgette is a variety of squash family, and this recipe which I'm going to share with you now is not just healthy but really easy and very quick to make. So let's get to the kitchen and make some zucchini pasta. I'm gonna grind together some cilantro or coriander leaves with basil leaves. I'm going to use cashew nuts, some parmesan cheese and 2 cloves of garlic. To give it a nice creaminess, I will also add 1 full avocado to it. Add in nice amount of extra virgin olive oil to it and blend all of it together to turn it into glorious green pesto. My pesto is ready, so using mandolin, I'm gonna make zoodles or zucchini noodles. Nowadays in supermarkets we have a lot of fixtures and small equipments to make these zucchini noodles. You can also use spiralizer, you can just use your plain humble grater to make it into nice noodle shapes. So here I'm making these zucchini noodles and putting them into cold water. When that's done, on medium heat, add in some olive oil to the pan and let's start by sauteing some cherry tomatoes and olives. Add in those lovely zucchini noodles or zoodles as we call it and give it a nice saute for a couple of minutes. Season it with salt and pepper. And when it's just cooked, add in our avocado basil pesto to it. Give it a little stir and our zucchini pasta is ready to serve. I'm serving it today on bed of nice fresh spinach leaf. Tomatoes and olives add in nice tartness and avocado pesto brings beautiful creaminess to our dish. This recipe is super easy to make and you can find the full detailed recipe in description box below. And just before serving, to take things to the next level, I'm grating parmesan cheese as a garnish for our zucchini pasta. Garnish it with fresh basil This healthy and tasty zucchini pasta is sure to please your taste buds. Do give it a try. If you like this recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Share this recipe with all your friends. And to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, which is Cook, Eat, Repeat. Yes, because that's what we do. We cook, we eat, and we repeat. Until next time, stay tuned. And like, share, and subscribe to Cook, Eat, Repeat.